Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Amazon affiliate link to Facebook page. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook, and you need to also open the Amazon. So let me open the Amazon. So let me open Facebook here and Amazon account here. So once you open Facebook, you simply need to select your page wherever you want to promote. You can promote on your profile as well. So I am going on to my this crazy hacks page, and I'm going to search for a random product. That is, we are going to search for the mouse, for example. And this is our page where we want to promote. So we simply need to switch to this page here, and this is the product that I want to promote. That is the mouse, and I think it will be best suit to my audience. So I think we are going to promote this onto the Facebook. So once here you can see the price as well. So you simply need to click on here. You can see Amazon OCS site stripe. So you simply need to click on text, and you simply need to click on get link text. So I think this product we do not have the link, so we need to select another one. So we are going to select this one, for example, and we can add picture from here. So then we need to click on link, and this is a link. Then we need to copy that and come on to the Facebook, and we are going to use Pexels to download copyright free images. So here we are going to search for computer mouse and get our computer mouse picture that we are going to use. So I think, let me find a picture. This one I think best. So I think medium size is best for me. Now it is complete. Go back, click on photo, click on add photo. From here you need to click on this one, and here you need to add the link. You can mention that anything so that the readers will get intention to buy this. Best mouse you need to try this summer. So you can add any call to action, and then you need to click on post. So this is a process how you can add Amazon affiliate link to Facebook page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.